Hello everyone, thanks for interest in Saswell thermostat. Now let's take a look at how to install T18. First, we open the box and confirm the packing list. It contains Saswell T18 thermostat, base plate, instruction, power module, wiring label, screwdriver, screws and anchor. After confirming, we also need a paper, a cross screwdriver and a phone, and start installation. First, turn off the power in your home. Then, remove the casing of the old thermostat. And find the wiring port. At this time, pay attention to see if the C port is wired. If there is a wiring and don't need to use the power module. If there is no wiring, you need to use the power module. And now our C port is no wiring. First, remove the wire of the old thermostat. And then remove the fixing screws and the old thermostat. And take a new thermostat and open the back plate. Install the back plate on the base plate. The base plate can be installed vertically or horizontally, like this, and fixing the back plate with screws. Open the heat pump panel, find the wire connect to the thermostat, and remove them and stick the label. Then connect the power module RCGYW wires to the corresponding ports of the heat pump. Then connect the wires from heat pump to the power module and take a photo to save it. Refer to the photo just taken. Connect the wires of the RCS and W ports of the power module to the thermostat. And pick up the case and prise it up. Finally, turn on the power to light up the thermostat.